Hey everyone and welcome back. So today cleaning the PS5. My PS5 has been standing on this position for almost 2 years. We will see opening and changing also here the liquid metal compound. We will see how that is the degradation of the liquid compound, because as you might know, if you leave it in vertical like this, the liquid compound will dry down. So we will check that and of course clean and repaste all the liquid compound. As usual, we will be measuring some temps before and after changing, with gaming more or less of 45 minutes. So we will check also how it's going to be the heat for those 45 minutes before and after applying the liquid compound. Right guys, also here after 45 minutes of gameplay, let's check some of the temps, and we have around, also here depending on where the air is coming out, we have almost 70 degrees, 71 as we can see here on all this part. All the hot air is coming out from here. Alright, so let's open it up and change also the metal liquid here and check the temps after doing that. Alright guys, let's open the PS5. I won't go all the tear down because there are amazing videos out there on how to tear down the PS5. Just we will open quickly and check how is the status of the liquid metal. As we can see from the fan here, this have a lot of dust inside. Alright guys, here we have the fan. I was expecting it to have more dust than this, but okay, this is a positive thing, I believe. So here we have the board of the PS5. As we can see, the liquid metal is starting to fall on this side here, more or less. So yeah, that's right. So I believe this one is going to be in horizontal now, as we can see also here on the heat sink. So it's going on this side here. So let's clean it up and apply the liquid metal. Right, now that everything is perfectly clean, let's reapply the liquid metal compound and close everything. Keep in mind guys to use a really tiny drop of liquid metal, otherwise if you overdo that, the issue here is that if the liquid metal goes all over your PS5, it would damage it, and we don't want that for sure. The liquid metal has been applied. Let's close everything and measure some temps also here to see how is the situation after reapplying the liquid metal compound. Alright guys, after reapplying the liquid metal compound, let's check some temps here. We are more or less, we have some degrees less, which is always nice. And keep in mind that I've been gaming for 45 minutes more or less. So, and the room temp is always the same, 25, between 25 and 26, 27 degrees almost. Alright, not bad. Thanks for watching guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment and let me know if you guys have changed the liquid metal on your PS5 and what was the status.